Hi, in this video I've got a repairing peeling paint update. So my name's Stephen from Inexteriors Painters and Decorators and you're watching Inexteriors TV. Now, for all of my peeling paint issues, I use this peel stop. Now I've been probably using it now for about 3-4 years. It is absolutely brilliant. So if you want to watch the video that I did 18 months ago, it will pop up at the end of this video on an end screen. If you would like to watch some more peeling paint videos where I use this magnificent peel stop, one of them is in a bedroom where a bed was up against the wall and it's in like the corner of the wall just above the skirting, and the other video is in a shower room where there's no window, there's just one of those vent things, the electric vent things. So if you'd like to watch those will pop up at the end of this video on an end screen as well. Right, shall we take a look at this update 18 months later then? This was it when it's done and freshly painted. And this is it 18 months later. It is starting to go ever so slightly, but when I first done this job, when I first painted that room, it was about, say, 4 years ago. And then 18 months ago, when I was doing another job there, I noticed that bit on that lip of around that window reveal, that's what it looked like when that peeled. That was probably about I'd done the original job 2 years before I did that repair. Then I never knew about the peel stop then. Then 2 years later, say, I was doing a job at another part of the house and I noticed that was blistering and flaking. Now, I thought, right, while I'm here, I'll sort that with a peel stop. So 18 months later, that's still in a lot better situation using that peel stop than what it was without using the peel stop, if you know what I mean. So overall, that is a good result. So thank you very much for watching and take care.